Morning, Karen.
Good morning, Mr. Wise. I'm sorry, can I dismiss the class? Today I have a meeting for my job.
Um,
Uh, I'm
okay,
I'm gonna make sure to before 4 o'clock send you the assignments, and I'm gonna watch the recording.
okay. Today we're going to deltamath.com, okay? I just put it in the chat. So today's assignment is there.
Okay,
Okay,
Mr.
Karen?
Wise, thank you.
Okay. Morning, Carl. Morning, Elijah. Morning, Amaya. Hello, Doris. Hello, Alex. Hi, Misa. Hey. Good morning, Devon. Hello, Hilder. Hello, Denelson. Why does a chicken coop only have 2 doors? Because if it had 4 doors, it would be a chicken sedan. A sandwich walks into a bar. Bartender says, "Sorry, we don't serve food here." I got a new job last week as the new top dog at Old McDonald's farm. I'm the new CIEIO. Morning, Akeem. The sky was looking, oh, never mind. Why did the giraffe get such bad grades? He always had his head stuck in the clouds. Why are frogs always so happy? They eat whatever bugs them. Morning, Zakiah. Whenever you jump on a trampoline, did you know it changes the season? No matter what time of year, it always becomes springtime. Morning, Nina. Why didn't the skeleton go to the dance? He had no body to go with. Well, this joke is for people who understand that on a speaker, you have the treble and the bass. Anyway, what do you call a musician with problems? A trebled man. Where do snowmen keep their savings? In the snowbank. What do you call a religious person who sleepwalks? A Roman Catholic. Did you hear about the carrot detective? He always got to the root of every case. Morning, Amy. All right. Today, when I'm done with the lesson, I'm going to ask you to please look at your grade book and see if you have any zeros, but you actually did the assignment. If you did an assignment, but you have a 0 in the grade book, I will need you to tell me after I'm done with the lesson, because I'm going to make sure all of the grades are right and correct, because I'm submitting my grades tomorrow. Today's assignment will be your first assignment of the third quarter, okay? I'm going to count today's assignment for a third quarter grade. So your second quarter grades are done, okay? All right, rock and roll. Today we're going to talk about parallelograms. Parallelograms. In a parallelogram, okay, AB, okay, from A to B is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. Okay, so in other words, this guy here is parallel to this guy here. Those two are parallel. Okay? And we write it like this. AB is parallel to DC. This sign here means parallel. AB is parallel to DC. And AD is parallel to BC. So the yellow lines are parallel, the green lines are parallel. This sign means parallel, okay? AD is parallel to BC. AB is parallel to DC. Can I please have a thumbs up if you understand what I'm saying to you? Good morning, Joel. Amaya, Carl, Misa, Elijah, thank you. Hilder, thank you. Denelson, thank you. That's it. How about you, Nina? Eni, are you good? Hakeem? Are we good? All right. So what we say is, opposite sides are parallel. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. Sides opposite each other are parallel. Okay. All right. Next, angle A is congruent to angle C. Okay. These two angles are always congruent in a parallelogram. Not only that, but these two angles are congruent. Angle B is congruent to angle D, always in a parallelogram. Okay. Angle A is congruent to angle C. Angle B is congruent to angle D. Okay. Opposite angles are congruent. Opposite angles are congruent. A is equal to C. B is equal to D. Can I have a thumbs up, please, if we're okay with that one? Misa, Elijah, Maya, Carl, thank you. Zakaya, Hilder, thank you. Hakeem, thank you. Thank you, Eni. All right, very good, very good. Okay, next. In a parallelogram, AB is equal to DC. AD is equal to BC. AB is congruent to DC. AD is congruent to BC. Opposite sides are congruent. They're not only parallel, but they're congruent. You see how you have 2 marks here, right? And 2 marks here. That means that this yellow-orange segment is equal to this yellow-orange segment. Okay. 1 mark means that this segment is congruent to this segment. Okay. Opposite sides are congruent. Not only are they parallel, but they're congruent. Can I have another thumbs up if you're good with that? Devon, thank you. Nina, thank you. Elijah, Carl, thank you. Hilder, Misa, thank you. Amaya, thank you. All right. So if I said AB, if I said AB equals 7, what's DC? 7. If I said AD equals 4, what does BC equal? 4. Okay. Opposite sides are congruent. All right. Angle A plus angle B equals 180. So for example, let's say this guy is 110 degrees. If that's 110, then this guy is 70. Why? Because 110 plus 70 equals 180. And then if this guy here is 70, this guy here is 110. Angle B plus angle C equals 180. And then if that guy's 110, well, then this guy is 70. Because angle C plus angle D adds up to 180. And then if that guy's 70, this guy's 110. Why? Because angle D plus angle A equals 180. Consecutive angles add up to 180. Remember consecutive interior angles? Remember with this, we had 2 parallel lines cut by a transversal, and we said this guy and this guy add up to 180. Remember that? Consecutive angles add up to 180. Okay. Can I have a thumbs up there? Consecutive angles add up to 180. Are we good there? Elijah, Devon, thank you. Carl, Zakaya, Misa, Nelson, Hilder, Eni, Amaya, thank you. All right, very good. Very good. Now, here. Diagonals. Diagonals. BD or DB is a diagonal. AC is called a diagonal. Goes from one corner to the opposite corner. That's a diagonal. Diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. What? That means AM equals CM. Huh? That means this purple here, that purple is equal to the green. The purple and the green are equal. Okay. Over here, the light blue and the yellow orange are equal. DM equals BM. Okay. So in other words, if this length here is 8, what's the yellow orange? 8. If the purple is 5, what's the green? 5. Okay. In fact, let me ask you this one. If I told you that the green equals 5, if I told you the green equals 5, what would this blue equal? If the green equals 5, does it make sense that the blue equals 10? If the green equals 5, the light blue equals 10, right? Because it's double. Can I have a thumbs up if you understand what I just said there? Morning, Davon. Elijah, thank you. Carl Daniels, thank you. Hilder, thank you. Eni, Misa, Devon, thank you. Good. Okay. All right. So AM, the purple here, AM equals CM. DM equals BM. Two AMs equals AC, right? 2 of the purples equals all the way from A to C, right? 2 of the BMs equals all the way from B to D, right? 2 8s equals 16, right? 2 5s equal 10, right? Okay. Today's assignment's going to be on delta math. Let's see what it looks like. All right. Here. All right. If Q is 50, right? If angle TQR, that's the same as angle Q. Find the measure of angle STQ. That's the same as angle T. See the X there? These two angles add up to what? The two angles add up to 180, right? So what's x? 130. Why? Because 130 plus 50 is 180, right? Okay. These two angles are opposite angles. If this is 115, then x is 115, right? Easy. If m is 110, what's x? 110 plus what equals 180? 110 plus 70 equals 180. Can I have a thumbs up, please, if you're good so far? Joel, thank you. Devon, Carl, Amaya, Misa, Elijah, thank you. Okay, very good. All right. Opposite angles are equal, right? Opposite angles are equal. If M is 130, what's angle P? Angle P is 130. Opposite angles are equal. Those two angles add up to 180. 145 plus what equals 180? 35. Right? 145 plus 35 equals 180. 115 plus what equals 180? 65. Okay. One more. 150 plus what equals 180? 30. Okay. Opposite angles are equal. Consecutive angles add up to 180. Easy, man. There's two sections here today. One is angles, the other one is diagonals. Okay. Here it says if RT from R all the way to T is 36, what's RV? RV then is going to be half, right? Half, 18. Right? Easy. PM all the way from P to M is 46. What's PQ? Half. 23, right? Can I have another thumbs up if everyone's good so far? Elijah, thank you. Joel, Zakiah, Carl Daniels, thank you. Amaya, thank you. Hilder, Misa, Devon, Eni, thank you. All right, good. NQ is 19. What's QL? Doesn't NQ equal QL? So if NQ is 19, QL is 19, right? Easy. Here, NQ is 32. What's NS? If N all the way to Q is 32, halfway is going to be half of 32, or 32 divided by 2 is 16. Okay. HF from H all the way to F is 12. What's HJ? Half, right? 6. Holy smokes, this assignment's easy. All right. You have two sections here, two sections. One is the angles section, one is the diagonals section. 15 problems in each one. This should take you 5 minutes, okay? Okay. So please go ahead and start your Delta Math assignment, your Delta Math assignment today. Please, in fact, I'm going to type it in the chat. Okay. You can click on that link now. It'll take you to Delta Math and click on the latest assignment. Okay. 1.2.6, parallelogram properties. Right now, please look at your grade book. Could everyone please look at your grade book? I need you to tell me right now if any assignments are zeros, but you did them. I'm submitting my grades tomorrow. So if any of your grades are wrong, I need you to tell me now. Now is the time to tell me. Do not tell me tomorrow. Do not tell me Friday. Okay. You don't have to tell me if your assignments are good. Just tell me if there's something wrong, okay? All right, Elijah. Okay, Elijah, I gave you your credit for quiz 8. Hilder, if your grade book is good, have a good day. Say no to drugs. Misa, Denelson, if your grade book is good, you can go. All right. But make sure your grade book is good. Because this, whatever your grade book says, that will be your grade for the quarter. Misa, yes, same thing. Please check your grade book. If it's good, that will be your grade for the quarter. And if you're okay with that, have a good day. Say no to drugs.
Mr. Weiss.
Yes, Carl.
Okay, you can hear me now.
Yeah,
All right, because my thing was like connected audio.
I saw that. I saw that your audio was trying to connect the whole period. Were
Uh,
you, were you able to hear me at all or no during the lesson?
I wasn't able to hear you.
Okay, so you're gonna have to watch the recording. Sorry about that.
Well, we gotta do delta math.
Yes, Delta Math today. Okay.
Oh, Mr. Weiss.
Yes.
Uh, I saw you had class.
Um, tell you what. Why don't we go to a breakout room? Um, hold on a second. Um, All right, I just created a breakout room, room 1, so I'm going to go there now. Meet me there. All right. Carl, if you saw your grade book, and it's okay, then you are good to go. Have a good day. Say no to drugs.
I'm done.
All right, Zakiah, if you have checked your grade book and everything is up to date, then you are free to go. Have a good day. Say no to drugs. All right, Amaya, same for you. If your grade is up to date, good to go, you are free to go. Have a good day. Say no to drugs. Yeah, no, you can ask me over and over and over and over again. I'm not changing your grade, Carl. Sorry. You just don't understand. See, you're gonna need to understand me better. If you're gonna choose not to do your assignments, you're gonna choose not to get the grade. I'm not going to give you a grade. No, I'm not doing late assignments. I told you over and 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 over. If you want to complete your assignments, I gave you until January 20th. 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 You want to ask me again and again and again and again and again? Can I fix your grade? No, I won't do it. I won't do it. I won't do it. I'm not doing it. I gave you till January 20th. January 20th. You had access to your grade all quarter. You see zeros in the grade book. There's a 6 in the grade book. There's a 13 in the grade book. You chose not to fix them. That was your choice. I am not changing your grade. Joel, if your grade is set, have a good week, have a good day. Say no to drugs. Okay, Nina, if your grade book looks right, you are free to go. Have a good day. Say no to drugs. You too.
We have to stay here.
You can go. Could you name the assignments that you've done, Elijah? Because I looked and I don't see any of them. So I need you to tell me one by one which assignments you've done. All right, I will look at quiz 7. You have a 100 for quiz 7, Elijah. It's in the grade book. I have it down that you have a 100 for quiz 7. So quiz 7 is not your issue. Okay. Why don't you go and check all of your assignments and tell me which ones you claim to have done that you don't have credit for. I just found the 1.2.5 angle bisector that you had recently completed. Can you tell me what else you've done? Okay, I will take a look at that. Yeah, you have a grade for congruence concepts. Your grade matches what I gave you. Quiz 8. Elijah, I don't understand you. You got the grade you have in the grade book is the grade you got on quiz 8. All right, gentlemen, I am closing today's meeting. Have a good day. Say no to drugs.